What's up, beautiful people? It's the hippie Krissy, and I'm coming again with another video. And in this video, I am interlocking my client's locks. He has medium to thick locks, and we interlocking, baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell just so that you know when your girl posts videos. And stay tuned for the video.
Yesterday you came round my way, vibrations intense. I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no game.
So in this video, I'm going to be showing you just a couple of locks. I'm not showing you the whole process, but I'm showing you how I interlock his locks. I'm just sectioning off it in rows, and then I am taking my latch hook and I am interlocking it counterclockwise. So I'm going in 3, 6, and 9, and 12, and I am doing that throughout his whole head. And then I am 2-strand twisting. So that's what you will see in this video. And don't forget to go on IG and follow me, Creative Hippie, on IG. Follow me on my hair page at Hippie Loctician. And yeah, you'll stay tuned with me with my journey here on YouTube. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. Trust me, I say that all the time, okay? So enjoy this video. I love you guys, and yeah.
The time is right, we both conscious. Got grabber with OG Kush, my high, my conscious. I only want that good. You say you got that good, prove it you. Give it to you like my rent due. Name is size of blue. If you're fucking with me, yeah, I feel lick it all the way to the tip. Don't let it drip, yeah. Clean it up, light me on fire when you're ready to hit this. Far from average, intellect with savage. Lifestyle my bag to give you something you can grab with. Lost the track of time, kush is hard to find. You know the truth, bring your essence when you come through. Shit, I'm high, I'm on cloud nine. I'm high, you high, feel that shit right down my spine. Don't let it drip, drip, drip. Clean it up, light me on fire, cause you know you wanna hit this. Light it up, turn up, it's a must. Got a couple of hand, now what's up? Zai blue on the track, it's all love. In the zone with my girls, can I vibe just a little bit? Can I get a taste of the life? I'ma get lit. Yard rich, ain't no other chick on the movement. Fall back, I'm just trying to live. Can I get a sip? Picture that hot. I'm saying, I'm deep in the game, ain't no playing. In the zone, but hold on, I'm reframing. Bullshit in the air, I maintain. Light it up if you want to. What you gon' do? Got a chick in the back, but I'm on you. Bad chick on the team and she high too. Get lit, light it up, I'ma come through.
Consequence Music.
Pull up, I'm that nigga. Rolly trip like river. Call me Trap Kelly with sauce. Then you bitch can't get off. Don't get mad, I'm just saying I look like new money. Don't get mad, I'm just saying I look like new money.
Whoa, caution, Batman voice. Whoa, never wear the same thing twice. Whoa, might fuck up a check tonight. Whoa, my diamonds they bite like mine. Every time I pull up, hoes gotta get hype. Bad bitches only face gotta look right. You fucking with me, you could get it on sight. Matter of fact, I'ma give her the pipe. I get what I want, nigga. Gucci shopping, 5 figures. I love the life that I'm living. Champagne showers, we winning.
Pull up, I'm that nigga. Rolly trip like river. Call me Trap Kelly with sauce. Then you bitch can't get off. Don't get mad, I'm just saying I look like new money. Don't get mad, I'm just saying I look like new money.
Never know a yard man thing. Flashy with the diamond ring. Everybody know me a king. Plus all the links them big. Anyway we got the shit turn up. They full of beer top but then I run up. And if your dog talk shit him burn up. Murder, ball out when the sun up.
Why they mad cause we winning? All this money we be spending. We be dripping on they women. This is all a nigga know. This is all a nigga know. Pull up, I'm that nigga. Rolly trip like river. Call me Trap Kelly with sauce. Then you bitch can't get off. Don't get mad, I'm just saying.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like making videos like this just to take you guys in my world to see what I do on a day-to-day as a loctician. So yeah, don't forget, stay positive and keep positive vibrations always. And until the next video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. XOXO. Mwah.
Champagne showers, we winning.